Hi everyone, good morning. Myself Harsh Pundir, and today I'll be taking you through Tableau visualization on F1 data. So to begin, we will take a look at the teams that and majorly through the turbo hybrid era that started from 2014 and has completed till 2020. Firstly, we'll take a look at Mercedes and how they have performed. And as you can see from this map, they have dominated throughout the globe. In Russia, they have not lost a single race. In Canada, they have won 4 out of the 6 races held. Similarly, in US, they have won 5 out of the 6 races that were held during this 7-year period, and in Mexico, they have won 3 out of the 5 races that were held. As you can see clearly throughout the globe, they have rarely had any competition, and out of the 130 total races that were held, they have won 102 races, secured 109 pole positions, and have 71 fastest laps to them. They have won all 7 drivers' championships and all 7 constructors' championship during this era, and are now closely catching up to Ferrari, who throughout the history have the highest number of driver championships. The constructors' ranking clearly shows how they have been at the top throughout this time. Let's take a look at their closest rival, Ferrari, and how they have performed during this era. And as you can clearly see, even where they have won, Mercedes has clearly dominated them. Canada, be it Canada, United States. They don't have any driver championship or constructor championship through this era and have only won 17 races out of the total 138 races. Now let's take a look at the drivers during this era. Lewis Hamilton, who's the number one driver uh, for, for Mercedes, clearly showed his dominance through this era and has won 73 races over a course of 7 years. He has secured 19.01% of the total points that was scored throughout this era and has won 6 out of the 7 drivers' championships. The maximum points that a driver could have scored was 3,488, and out of that, Lewis Hamilton scored 2,676, accounting for 76.72% of the total points that he could have scored. He is now the joint leader of the number of driver championships that a driver has throughout his career, along with Michael Schumacher at 7. His competitors come no way close to him during this era. Sebastian Vettel, who has 4 driver championships, but he didn't win anything during this turbo hybrid era. He started playing catch up from 2015 and caught up, gave a stiff competition to Lewis Hamilton in 2018, but the team started going down after 2018 season and fell backwards towards 2020. Let's take a look at Max Verstappen of Red Bull and how he performed during this era. He played third character in this battle, and after 2019, he was the next competitor to Lewis Hamilton. Let's take a look at how overall they have performed. And Mercedes and Lewis Hamilton combined is a great force to counter. As you can see, not only is the machine good, but Lewis Hamilton as a driver has made them won so many races. Mercedes has secured a total of 204 podiums, and Lewis Hamilton contributed 111 towards them. Fastest laps overall throughout any year, Mercedes dominated that as well and have the highest number of fastest laps throughout any years. They have accounted for total of 71 fastest laps, out of which Lewis Hamilton contributed 40 of them. Those, as you can clearly see, no other team has come close to challenging Mercedes in this era. And Mercedes has won all 7 drivers' championship and all 7 constructors' championship as well. Lewis Hamilton, the number one driver, is the now holds the outright record for the most number of wins, pole positions, and podium finishes, among others. He has won 6 out of the 7 turbo hybrid era championships and is arguably the best driver that has ever taken part in this sport. For this data, I took the data from the Kaggle, which had 17 CSV files, out of which I used 6 CSV files that had the combined race results, race wins, uh, and all the historical data for the lap times for this visualization. Thank you.